Well, we're over here at our latest project that we're just getting close to wrapping up here in a bit. We've got all the painting done, quite a bit of texture that we redid just to get the walls looking really consistently, some lights, and now we're getting ready to lay the floor. In regards to the floor, this is a concrete slab foundation. So the floor we're gonna be using is a vinyl plank floor. It's kind of like the new form of laminate. It's waterproof, very durable. It's even got a really nice texture to it and feels a little bit like wood. Nice texture to it. And it also has this nice padding that comes on the back. The great thing about it is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about moisture, and it comes down very easy. Only thing that you have to remember on any type of floor is there's always unevenness in floors. So what we did is we spent a little bit of time going through, putting down some self-leveling compound on some of the floors just to make sure it's nice and smooth and we don't have any high points. So as people are walking through, the floor feels flat, it feels level, and there's no issues. So he's gonna start working on that. We're gonna get the lighting in. And in about a week, we're gonna be able to wrap up everything in this house. So stay tuned for the final product. We're doing the landscaping outside. And you're gonna see how this house gets transformed before we list it.